guess what? Do you know why I am so happy right now? Why? The Lagos State government has officially commissioned the Lekki Express road construction, and this was done or commenced on the 31st day in January 2023. And guess what? This adds to the value of properties around here. So if you don't know what is going on, if you don't know what is cooking, then you should send a DM, because we have various estates around this corridor. We have Tiwa Gardens, we have Fairmont Green and Smart Estate, and don't forget Itunu City. Initial deposit of this wonderful estate, you can own 1 or 2 plots in this particular location.